Dear learners, the previous video we have seen the BLI 227 cataloging question paper and answer sheet, how to write answers for a given title. Now let us see the parts of a catalog card. A catalog card will have call number part. You have to write on left top or corner. Every space is important in the catalog card, and every notation is also important. Every symbol you have to watch carefully. Okay, you have to write the call number on left top. That is, call number will consist of two parts: class number, that is numerical part if it is DDC, and book number, first three letters of the surname of the author. Okay, depends upon the library also. Sometimes they may use first three letters of the title, so that is immaterial. First line class number, classification number, and in the second line book number. And the first empty space they call it as choice of access point, that is for joint authors, title, subject, etc. You have to use that for added entry cards. And the first line starts here in the first indentation. You have to write the main entry elements. Instead of author name, please notice that I have mentioned it as a main entry element, because for this particular title Nile Delta, this is the main entry, that is Stanley, Daniel Jean Stanley is the main person for the content of the document. Okay, for example, take a company's, for example, India Cements annual report. That is the book available in a library. What will they do? They will write the main entry element under India Cements. Okay. And budget by Tamil Nadu government. Then there is no single author there, so they will mention Ministry of Finance, Government of Tamil Nadu as the main entry element. So now you can easily understand what is the purpose of using the term main entry element. And this paragraph starts here from the second indentation. You have to write the title, colon, subtitle, slash, author name as it appears in the document. Here you can see Stanley Daniel Jean, and here Daniel Jean Stanley, and Sripati subsequences. This is statement of responsibility, and this is subsequent statement of responsibility. Dot hyphen Washington DC is the place of publication, colon, Smithsonian Institution, comma, 1997 year of publication. So every details you can find in the here itself, question paper itself. Call number, accession number, number of pages, size, first author, second author, title, after colon, subtitle, Washington DC, place of publication. Okay, Delta Change Global Program, Smithsonian Institution, 1997. So by seeing this, so all the details are available. You have to fill up those details in the card format according to the rules. So after title you have to put one slash. After statement of responsibility and subsequent statement of responsibility, you have to use and. Between statement of responsibility and subsequent statement of responsibility, you can use and or semicolon as the case may be. If they have given and in the, here they have given and in the question paper, so I have used and. Otherwise you can use semicolon as a connecting symbol. and after subsequent statement of responsibility the connecting symbol is dot hyphen. Place of publication Washington DC. After place of publication the connecting symbol is colon. Smithsonian Institution is the name of the publisher. After name of the publisher one comma, year of publication. There ends the first paragraph. In the next paragraph you have to write the physical details, that also given in the question paper 189p dot. After pages you have to use semicolon. So these connecting symbols you have to remember. After preliminary pages 28 centimeters is the size of the document. So physical description paragraph is over. Next paragraph is notes area. In the notes area you can give any other details about the particular document. Here we can find Delta's global change program is the another detail given in the document. So we have used that here in the notes area, and you can write the accession number of the document from the fifth line. In the fifth line. And another important section, this is called as tracing section. This tracing section will have the choice of access points for which added entry cards to be prepared. So we have prepared already added entry cards for title, subjects, author, etc. Okay. So in the main entry card itself we have to mention how many added entry cards we are going to prepare. So for this document we are going to prepare added entry for 2 subjects and 1 joint author name and for title. Total 4 cards. So for writing subject names you have to start with Indo-Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3 like that. And for writing other details you have to start with Roman numerals. So write 1, Nile Delta is the first subject. Write 2, Delta Lance is the second subject. Write Roman letter 1, Sripati J is the joint author, and in the last you write the last Roman letter title. Okay. So for writing this subject names there is another book called CS list of subject headings that we will see later.